Assalamualaikum, my dear. Openly the fair and true fair now governs environment couple and Bangladesh Bonayon arrange this tree fair during the monsoon season. This year, them is we plant trees and take care, build a country of healthy generation. This initiative aims to acquaint people with the trees, encourage planting trees and facilitators season. Ejaz sharing with experts into the fair tree with a completing. Many people are stopping by the fair after work, getting lost in the sea of green and living with plants in. There are public and private institutions and nurseries with around 100 stalls. Most have their nurseries in Naugaon. Other 11 upazalas came here this tree fair. This year's fair features over 10 domestic and foreign fruits, spices, forest, and ornamental trees, wheel and flowering plants, vegetables, fruits, ornaments, fertilizers, pesticides, potted and unpotted seeds, soil, tops, landscape, and various furniture for plants. Main season this year's them and we and take care. If you plan to start or export a nursery or have ample space for planting trees, this fair is perfect for you since it's the Bengali plantation month. You will see trees, mango, jackfruits, lychee, orange, amloki, and chalta, angur, guava, etc. Though few people are as lucky as having entered such plants are brought mainly by professionals or companions. An older woman budget a mehendi tree, brinjal, lemon, and other vegetable, spelling a total of carat for the rooftop garden. The fair is also the best places for ornaments plants. You will find unique species of flowering cactus and leafy plants in quality and quantity. Bonsai bonsai enthusiasts will be delighted with Banayan, Krishnachura, Magnalia, Kamini, Bonsai Focus, Puckerbot, and many more. You can find bonsai and banyan trees, jade plants, and bougainvilleas. Bonsai pieces range from 1,000 to 25,000 taka, with some costing up to 100 to 25,000 taka. A dead tree from an original Saudi Arabian species in priced at 10,000 only. Many India such as amloki, aloe vera, monstera, Deraceous, Salta, Philodendron, and air plants. A couple of avoid plants in their sites shared we buy a lot of plants. Despite limited space, the fear makes us want to buy everything we see, but most plants are expensive. Those are also here. This Nagaon Nozwan Mart, Nozwan Field. This is Bougainvilleas, indoors, and others tree find here. The find here another trees, তিন ফল trees, হযরত মুহাম্মদ সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি সাল্লামের favorite fruits. This is trees fair at Nagaon district's middle point, Nozwan field here. This field is very big and main gate focus Idgah Mart. This scenery is fine. This scenery is fine. So we are get the recorded here. This is the site of Nagaon middle point, main road. We are find and follow and subscribe this channel and page. One follow and one subscribes, please. Many people are there. Tea fair and tea stalls